this looks like it's a just a run-of-the-mill receipt.
Yeah, that's fine.
That is pretty.
Yeah, so my account is going to be including this.
What's up,
Well,
peoples?
What's
up, peoples? What's up, peoples? How's everybody
Why is that
doing?
there? What is it?
Hope everybody's doing well. Happy Sunday.
Right.
All that fun stuff. Listening, you can hear that I'm listening to yeah, we're listening to a blind justice.
So this document is not accurate, is what you're saying?
It has spots that are not accurate.
Johnny Bravo.
Okay, can we get an accurate receipt then? That's all I'm asking.
What up, Johnny? What up, what up, what up,
What
what up, what up?
You're right.
What
you can
up?
write me out on a piece
What
of
up?
paper, like
What
what was
up?
paid or whatever,
What
and
up?
that's fine. But this is saying that there's an account, or we can have an account.
What
Game show
up?
bot.
Right? And
What
if that's the
up?
case, then what I paid was
Francis
What
Page
up?
has
total
gone
account,
live
and
with
then
the
from that was
title
subtracted.
YAS
Okay.
streaming on the FIC Nerd Stuffs.
Sure.
Game show
Alright.
bot.
So,
FIC Nerd Stuffs has gone live with the title YAS Ai Nerding.
Are you kidding me? Already? Already?
Johnny Bravo.
Did somebody
Just got
comment
done
on my
cleaning the
stuff?
apartment, so now it's time to smoke and chill.
Did somebody comment on my big channel about me not going
So
live?
if this is short what I paid, then what do we do?
Oh yeah, we'll do that.
Okay.
Alright.
And how are you going to be able to verify it?
Miss Alice,
So you're just going to take my word for
can you
it?
put that on a piece of paper for me, please?
Does that make sense?
What is it?
So are you just going to take my word for it? How are you going to verify that?
That's
it is
kind of
written for?
interesting. It's gone now. They deleted it now. They deleted it now.
There's 2 cents on the ground. I'm picking them up. It's all on body cam. Okay?
All right, yeah.
So them right there.
You understand the problem? Like, so yeah, we'll sit here and we'll count this out. But how do you know? I know what I paid. You know, how do you guys know what I paid if you guys didn't actually count it?
Well, how much did you pay? What was your total?
So
bill that you turned in?
again, like,
I'm taking your word for it, sir.
right.
I'm just here
If we count this and I say it's short, then you're gonna
give me the number.
you're gonna pay me the difference?
Give me the number what you paid, and then we'll verify.
Okay. I paid $30.50.
$30.50.
Yeah, and the reason for that is I was given 2 prices: $23 just for the video if I produce a DVD, which I did, but I don't know if this DVD was going to be accepted, so I did $30 in case this DVD was like, hey, it's not formatted right, or it's not big enough, right? So I provided more than $30. The 50 cents was a integrity check to see if you guys would actually count
50
it.
cents in quarters, or was it all in pennies?
It was all in pennies. Yeah.
Okay.
So 30.50 is what I paid.
Apparently, the LHPD sees nothing wrong with handing out a bag of cash with no record of the transaction.
Oh, it's an integrity check on me too, right? Well, I would like service without double taxation. Taxation is theft anyway. The public are already paying for body cameras, for the cameras, for the recording, for the servers to store them. They're paying you guys' salaries, right? So the public's already being stolen from to pay for those things. So why should we be stolen from a second time to pay for it? That's what I need, is stopping the theft. I don't think that you can help with that. Okay, I wouldn't have answered that either. That one was loaded. Okay, all right, so that's 6. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Indoctrination.
It's pretty close. Yeah.
Evening all.
So
I haven't counted it
close
personally,
enough?
so
here's the guy that decided he wanted to leave his little fucking comment
Yeah,
on my
square it up, I can feel it.
other channel here.
I just want to make sure that you're good, okay?
I'll just go ahead and,
That's all I'm trying to do.
if you want to see what he wrote, you can
Back on there.
go back over on the other one.
All right. Those are even.
Right. Do. I appreciate it. He says, shut it off after a minute of nothing. And I go, John, we see you trying to troll. Yeah, we're missing the real troll part of your comment. I appreciate everyone needs to be heard, but I'm going to have to ask you to type in chat GTP and then come back and post here.
Stacks of 10.
Right. I'm just saying.
It's 10.
I'm just saying. Obviously, you don't see the scrolling.
Somebody's stealing my sign right now. Sarge.
Somebody's stealing your
Yep.
sign?
He's putting it in the back of his truck right now.
Is it a uniform?
Is he in a uniform? Polo shirt, black pants, is that a gun on his hip? Yeah, gun on his hip. What color is his truck? Black truck.
Gregory Derderian. At Indoctrination subscribed just now.
Yeah, we can go handle that. I think this
Gregory
is close enough.
Dardarian, I appreciate that subscription.
Yeah,
Okay, you good with that?
we're good on this. Yeah, if you want to go
Thank
up there
you.
and make sure that the guy didn't run with my sign, that'd be great.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Record that.
Mike had to wrap this up.
We're
pretty
still
quick.
wrapping
Someone
things
was out
up and getting
stealing his
everything going
protest
before
sign,
we actually get
which was
started. So
positioned with a whole bunch of
Indoctrination.
campaign
I heard somebody join in the background.
Didn't seem interested in stopping a crime
Something like
in
that.
progress.
Sweet. What's
Turns out
up,
it
man?
was the
How are
chief
you?
of police.
I'm only dreaming of ChatGPT.
That thin blue
Yeah,
line is
Gregory
dude, I was
Dardarian.
dreaming.
Go check
I
out
was
our
dreaming
Oath
myself.
Breakers for
Welcome.
more on the theft.
Gregory,
Turn
much
myself.
love from Doc to me, from Doc to me to you, from me to you through Doc, from me to Doc to you, from me directly to you. But nonetheless, Friends and Code over here, we appreciate you taking time out of your Sunday to come over here and play the YouTube game. Oh, there comes our first one. There comes our first one. It was actually the Real News Network, so we're okay. They'll see my name in it, and hopefully they'll call me and ask me to take it off before they hit the account. But again, Gregory, much
Gregory
love. You're always
Dardarian.
welcome here. Let me get
At Johnny Bravo HI.
the rest of the clothes on. Everybody in here gets a wrench. Status update. We've made it to
Brandon Mitchell.
268, guys. We've
Good
made it to
afternoon, FIC.
268. Hell yeah. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. You know, hell yeah. So, moving on up. Moving on up. Please go to my channel. Please go to the live. And Gregory,
Gregory Dardarian.
let's get that
At
wrench.
Brandon Mitchell. Hand pink waving.
Everybody gets to post. All right. And so, you know, if you happen to be
Brandon
on
Mitchell.
the other channel, you can't hear me saying this, so it really doesn't matter. All right, boys and girls. The recap from the last mega stream is
Eat your
that
broccoli.
hey, eat your broccoli.
I have a tech and anatomy issue.
An anatomy issue, huh? Yeah, I'm broccoli. I haven't had enough coffee to answer that question yet. But from yesterday, we made
Brandon
it to
Mitchell.
we made it to a situation where we can use ChatGTP, which seems really sane compared to what we were
Yeah.
playing with.
Yeah.
I'm hoping
They took the fun
Right.
drugs away from him.
Yeah, they sure as fuck did. I'm hoping that with a little fine tuning, we can get a little bit closer to what we were
Eat your
seeing out of.
broccoli. On my Oculus, my boobs get in the way for the controller tracking.
Broccoli. Okay, look, check this out. I have to imagine some things to, right, translate this. Not even translate, but to try to understand how. Yeah, yeah. See, broccoli. I want to nerd out, not like get online and then find about, think about technology and boobies, right? Because I am a redneck, so boobies takes over tech. So right, yeah, they were. The guy commented on there. It was like, that I needed to shut off my other video. Like, after a minute, they could see the stuff in the background and they could hear the stuff going on. And then when it cut off, they were all mad that I didn't cut it off. I just left it there. Well, to tell you the truth, I didn't hear it cut off, right? I didn't know it cut off. And I didn't really care that it cut off. I was just giving you flashing stuff besides a scrolling ticker that says come over to the other channel. So now that we've addressed that, I still hope that the guy goes to ChatGTP and types his troll questions in there.
Eat your broccoli.
Might I recommend you tell it
The
that Grandma
tracking is
used to
from the
tell you.
cameras out to the controller. After looking into it, I can buy pro controllers, but that's like $300.
Yeah, but I mean, even
Johnny
at that
Bravo.
point, there's.
Sucking back.
Yeah, there's.
I got a short bus for people to ride.
Yeah, show up in the FIC Discord, right? Stuff like that gets
Black
you the short bus
National
quick.
Freedom Fighter.
What's up, Black National Freedom Fighter?
Sup, FIC.
So, like I said, we got to this point where we could see sanity and we could see insanity, right? Because had we continued talking to these other bots, right?
Models.
Excuse me, are they? Yeah,
Yeah, they're
models.
models. Yeah.
Models. Thank you. Well, when we turn the thing on, it's a bot.
Oh yeah. But when you change the model out, it starts to hallucinate.
I know I'm splitting a hair here.
I
know
know.
I'm splitting a hair. I am. But when we're actually chatting with the thing, the model is what it runs through to be the bot to be
Yeah.
to us. Yeah. Okay. So we found that some models would make the interaction seem sane, right? Even with a little, let's just call them code errors, right? But when we go with the other models, like the ones that run off of your internal home computers, right? Not supercomputers, but just computers, it would give some very colorful answers, right? To say the least. And I mean colorful is in not even on topic. Straight.
You men solve this for me.
Yeah, and yeah. It was really weird.
Tabled.
Yeah, exactly. The stupid little fucking thing.
Cheaper way was to use ace bandages and wrap my boobs down, but I think if I keep doing that, we'll end up with boobs that look like flat wallets.
Yes, completely. If you do that, yes. I would look into formatting my
LOL.
Facebook versioned toys, sell them, and use that money plus the money that you're going to upgrade with anyway, right? And get you something that can see around your voluptuous front side. Anyway.
Eat your broccoli. Bro, designers don't consider women players.
Well, we do, but not until you're in the game. Right? Not until you're in the game. All right. So I guess I should go over to the other channel and actually pin that one comment, because it does say it's pinned in the stream. God, it's been a while since I've done this dual streaming shit where there was nothing going on the big channel. I think the last time I did it was when I was trying to move over to D-Live.
So it looks like you can get I'm looking at GPU prices in the cloud.
No mercy sheep.
Cheers, no mercy.
FIC good day.
Good
Good
day.
day, y'all.
All right. Giggity. Oh, guess what else I got? I got a 2 terabyte NVMe.
Gregory Derderian.
Nice.
BRB lunchtime.
No worries, Gregory. Yeah, so we got some Linux coming here in a second as well. We've got some Linux coming. We appreciate you just looking at our falling matrix screen and hanging out for us until we get the real nerd shit up and going. We all know that you come for the nerd shit and the redneck translation, and then the peanut gallery to laugh at the redneck translation. No, if it wasn't for the peanut gallery here, man, I don't think we would be where we're at, tell you the truth.
Mm-hmm.
You know, because it really took us all, right? Screwing around with our each individual pieces of this thing and then going out, doing our thing, coming back, right? You know what I almost did last night?
What?
After I got off? Was I almost installed all this shit on my main computer. All right. And then I was like, let's go install it on the Windows on the other machine. And I was like, there's such path issues with Windows. There's just so many pathing issues with Windows. And I just don't like it. So let's not have just total jammer without a little bit of NCS music in our background. We gotta have a little music. I need the beat. I truly need the beat personally. Because if I don't, I seem to veer off quickly.
So an RTX 4080 they say is great for GPU workloads for AI.
Oh, what?
4080.
A 4080?
Yeah. Although I'll thought more of the A
No
class.
mercy sheep. No beats.
Rent a cloud AI GPU.
Shit, I don't want it to fucking start the music over. I want you to control the volume. God damn it. All right, so we got music going. And if you want to share what you're doing, I'm gonna sit here and talk while I work on this computer. We've got
Oh, I'm just looking at GPU prices in the cloud.
yeah. What's it
Like-
looking like?
I see.
What up, Dave?
Right. About 50 cents an hour. $1 an hour for 3090. And 85,000 is 86,000 is 0.682 cents an hour.
So the question becomes: is we need to ask how we calculate run times on this stuff, right?
Yeah, but some of the CPUs are rather old. They're like V2s.
No.
But the Epics are like $1.1 basically, 1.2.
Okay. Now, is that cheaper to do it that way, or is it cheaper to just go pay somebody else? that's already got the shit and just run it through. Like, what is it, Happy Clown or Happy Face or whatever that one is?
I thought they just provide models and stuff. I thought they're like the GitHub for this stuff.
But they have a hub, right?
Yeah.
And there's people thanking those guys for doing something that takes a lot of CPU power.
Okay.
CPU/GPU power. Dave, are you in here?
I have no idea.
I just heard the bing.
Yeah.
If not, yeah, I'm not by my computer, so you're gonna have to turn yourself on.
No,
In
he's
the
not in
channel.
here. I just shared my screen, that's all.
Oh, okay. Jeebus. I got heat seats over the drives.
Okay.
Power off.
And we lost you.
What do you mean?
Powered off.
Oh.
Oh wow, an A5000 is only like 1700, but how hours would that be? Like around 1700 hours.
Okay. Hopefully this one doesn't have one populated in it.
That would be $70 an hour if you bought a 5000.
For how many hours though?
So that's for, so I just took the price and divided by 24, so it's like 1700. So it's like $1. Let's call it $1 per hour on the
Okay.
high side.
For a month.
Yeah, so that'll be $1,700. No, that's
A day.
yeah, and I'm just taking the price of the GPU if you bought it to see what it costs that way,
Mm-hmm.
and that would be 70 hours or $70 in 24 hours a day of compute.
Yeah. But the other thing that we're not taking into account is the power to run that compute as well.
Yeah.
That they take on. Right, so
So yeah, so 0.2 cents an hour seems really good.
oh
with
come on.
with an internet speed of 570 symmetrical. NVMe drive.
Well, that was not expected. Alright, well, I'll put that into a little case, and it'll be a USB drive. Sorry, this is just exciting to me. Fixing to have a first time that I've actually, like, I don't know, nerded this far down in Linux.
Yeah, so to rent a 5000 for a full month comes out to like $300 some.
300.
Oh wait, these are multiple A5000s. Oops.
Well,
That changes the calculation just a little bit.
Oh.
You know, I mean, not a lot, but just enough.
Yeah, so you can get, what is this? So 0.402. Yeah, so $289 for 2 A5000s.
I wish I had an A5000, just a single one,
Yeah.
right? Holy shit. I can't believe I just did that.
But
So
they
you know
save, yeah,
the little screws that hold on the fucking M2 drives?
yeah.
I got 2 more of those screws that hold the heatsink down, right?
Hmm.
And I just nailed it from from all the way up straight in.
Oh.
And since I said something about the first one, I can't get the second one to go now. Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh, we getting close to having Linux. Oh yeah. All right. Oh, this thing. Oh, that's right. I stole the network cable from this thing.
Yeah, so I'm gonna end up figuring out how to self-host one of these vector databases.
Let me get a copy of them scripts. And tell me what the minimum fucking CPU is for it. You know, what kind of architecture shit do I have to have in my CPU to be able to run that? Because I mean, I'm not even going to guess. I'm not even going to guess. I don't even know what a fucking vector database is. All right, so we just got that. Let's go get us some Linux. Let's go get us some Linux. Are you doing anything in Linux?
Nope.
You're doing it all on your Mac as well?
All on Windows, actually. I know, right?
There's just so much on top, man. That's it's amazing they can run video games on this fucking operating system. I mean, no, really.
Yeah, the operating system that can run your CNC machine can also play the latest video games.
And then you try to do some of that real-time shit with Windows, and it just falls on its face.
Yeah.
You got to do it to a USB controller, right? And then that USB controller has another chip that does real-time communications for what you need it to do. Alright, I guess I'm going 20. Ubuntu 20. How much fucking time do we have left on Ubuntu 20? Ah, fuck it. It's long enough for me to play fucking Internet Nerd with it. Alright, let's go ahead and get us an ISO. For all you kids at home that are keeping up, that's gonna be that right there is gonna be the Ubuntu that we're using, Focal. And that's gonna be 20.04.6 on your version channel. All on Windows, huh, homie? Somebody's got to give our fucking Windows people some hope. And to tell you the truth, it can be done on Windows. I'm doing enough on my one Windows machine. I don't need. I don't need that going on as well. Well, snickerdoodles. Sweet. Found me a nice little pen drive we're going to use to load Linux with. And if you need to put shit on a pen drive, like images, Etcher is what I play with. You still there, man? Looks like I'm the only one here, huh? Y'all hear me out there in TV land?
James Locklear. Good evening, medium light skin tone thumbs up sign.
What's up, James? How are you? How are you, sir? Appreciate you coming on over.
Stoffel.
Appreciate you coming on over. What's
I
up,
hear you.
Shuffle?
I'm lurking and repairing a free Weber I picked up yesterday.
Sweet. Sweet. I appreciate it. I was just checking. Because my co-host fell off. I don't know, lost internet, blew up his computer, something. Let's go ahead. Everybody gets a little wrenchy around here. Oh, Broccoli didn't have a wrench. My bad. Y'all got to tell me when people don't have a wrench, please.
Indoctrination. We just about have enough for a poker game.
Let me get this pen drive. How much time have I got?
Gregory Derderian. At FIC, nerd stuff's high.
How much time I got, Doc?
Indoctrination. Not set up yet. What time you want?
6:30 or 7 Eastern. Because it's going to take me a second to get this. So I'm setting up a server. I'm setting up a Linux box on a gaming machine so I can use the GPU to hopefully retrain some of my models, but I need to get that up and going and connected to it before I play.
Gotcha.
Right, that's got to be up and going prior to me playing. If I don't reach that goal, then I can't play. So right now I'm burning the USB pen drive, but I think, let's see here. If you set it up, I'll advertise it on I'll advertise on the main channel. Right, I'll take the Smurf off, and I'll just show the Pokerstars lobby window, because I'm running the big channel on StreamYard, so all right, we'll get logged in. Right, and I'll just take this. We'll just share that. There we go. Let's do that. All right, we're about 69%. All right, so we got the dismay. We're going to eject it.
Gregory Derderian. At Brandon Mitchell, do you have a second channel?
Alright, so we got the pen drive. And it's got Linux on it. And we're going over to the other machine real quick. And then we're hitting delete and F2 and all that fun stuff so that we can get it into the BIOS. Alright, I need it in the BIOS so we can go turn off the other NVMe. And that way we don't happen to just overwrite one. Let's see if those changes will get us anywhere. I'm gonna hate if I have to tear this damn thing down and take that other NVMe out. Looks like we're getting somewhere. Let's check in the pen drive. Giggity. Giggity. We're making forward progress. All right, we got us a GUI install screen. We're gonna do the defaults.
Indoctrination. Game is set up for 16:45 Eastern Time.
T-minus what? 57 minutes and counting.
Indoctrination. 1846. Indoctrination. 1845.
Right, okay. Alright, now it's asking for some different options. Alright. We getting some stuff. Alrighty. We're writing the partition table out right now. Giggity. Right meow. See. We're waiting on it to finish that. And that's slowly doing its thing. Getting closer. Alright. installing. Now we're installing. Yes, we're installing. We're going to get to see some terminal action here in a minute, which will be the rest of the setup for this damn thing. And it's installing the operating system. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, 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 dum. Yeah, we want to restart now.
Jenny Jones.
Hey, Jenny, how are you,
Good
ma'am?
evening at Friends in Code.
How are you, ma'am? I'm pretty sure you've been over to this other channel before. Pretty sure. Yeah, you have.
Game Show Bot. News Now California has gone live with the title, Cooking Chicken in the Dirt with Phil. Game Show Bot. Sam Reports has gone live with the title, Fellowship of CHR1SD's Remnant. Jenny Jones. Good thumbs up sign. Indoctrination. Good evening at Jenny Jones. Jenny Jones. At Indoctrination, Victory and Hash.
Yeah, so we are making a Ubuntu computer. And this Ubuntu computer just booted up for the first time. And we... Go away. Go away! I don't want you.
my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries.
Oh, I don't have any internet on this fucking thing.
I love everything.
Like, what the fuck?
Fire spreading
What the
all
fuck?
around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Cable over here so I and get shot on my Mac and onto this thing.
Take my life and a false reality. Why can't you let me in my way to be? I live inside my own world of
Okay, I'm back. We had a little internet outage there.
We had a little bit of an internet outage there. I apologize.
You know, we just sometimes have it. It just drops. You know, it'll just drop on us. Right? It'll just drop. It'll just drop.
might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Gregory Derderian. At him confused.
So, Gregory, I don't know what part confused you, but we'll assume that just my whole stream. I mean, because it's easy for that. I'm trying to get an internet connection over to this new Ubuntu machine I just worked on, so I can continue my AI quest. while I play poker with you guys. And
Gregory Derderian. Are you at indoctrination?
I am not at indoctrination. I am not. I am a different person. I have a beard like similar.
Indoctrination. At Johnny Bravo at No Mercy should be playing.
I have a beard similar to Doc's. But Doc, I'm assuming Doc is probably like 6'3", 6'4", somewhere around in that area. And, you know, he's got me about 6 inches, right?
Indoctrination.
Altogether.
You are in both of our streams at Gregory Derderian.
Yeah, so, you know.
Indoctrination. I don't have TTS for chat. Indoctrination. 6 foot even.
Oh, you're same height? We're same height. Same height. It's kind of weird. You just, I don't know.
Gregory Derderian. Then I post the live song LOL.
It's okay. You can post in mine. You can post in his. We're not gonna hate. If we don't understand it, we'll tell you. Right? We'll be like, yo, we don't understand why you're posting this. My channel is about nerd shit. Right? And the current nerd topic is AI. And part of that current nerd topic, AI, is running my own AI, right? I've always been that guy. So like, if you can run one out in the cloud or out in the internet, I can run one on my server, right? And, well, it's getting a little bit more difficult to do shit like that, but still possible. There we go. Alright, so we're doing the initial upgrade to it. I'll get SSH on it. Yeah, we'll get this thing up, and then I'll get back on the computer, and you'll be able to see this.
Nerds rule.
Yes,
Lying on
ma'am.
the floor laughing. Have a good night, Victor and Hash.
Much love. Bye, Jenny. Appreciate it, sweetie. I'm gonna have to get out and advertise with this channel a little more. Go pull the friends and code stuff with this channel. The hell's the firewall? $69.43. All right. Oh. Okay. All right, so very first thing is let's make sure we got pip installed, which is the Python installation package manager thing. Yeah, so all right. And if you're curious what it's saying, it's basically I need to change the goddamn. It's already telling me there's a newer version of.
Janet Matson.
I thought I caught you there, sweetie. I was hoping that you were that one that I was seeing left in there watching. It's always so good to see your name come across in here, sweetie. Always.
Janet Matson.
Well,
Me.
yeah, I was trying to. Well, yeah, I was hoping it was still you in there, right? That's why I was throwing all the signs and making shit blink on the screen for you, let you know. I see you. I see you. I'm just not transmitting anything out to that one. Right? So, yeah, I'm trying to actually bring this one up. Right, bring this channel up and get it up and going, you know. I mean, you know, just get it going. Right. But I wanted to make sure that you knew that I damn sure wasn't ignoring you. And you know, to say hi, and if I did see you, I'd say something.
At FIC, Nerd Stuff's what the voice name on your computer.
Yeah. The voice name on my computer is called Melise, if I remember right. That is a Microsoft thing. It is Masai or something like that. Let's see here.
FIC, Nerd Stuffs. Voice is called Maisie, it's a United Kingdom voice.
I didn't choose it. It was the name that it came. It's the name that it came with.
At FIC, Nerd Stuff's good name, good name.
I didn't choose it, but it works for me. I like the way the voice sounds. It's a really neutral sounding soft voice, right?
Gregory Derderian. At FIC, Nerd Stuff's fixing computer is a pain.
Not really. Not really. Not for me. I mean, they can be, but I mean that's kind of why we're. It's kind of why we're using things to help us.
Gregory Derderian. At FIC, Nerd Stuff's tone yes I called name LOL.
Alright, so we're rebooting. Let's see what happens. What happens when we reboot?
I can see the computer screen from here, so. Comes up. It sits at an Ubuntu screen. Ubuntu is selected, but is it going to go past it? It does. And then we see an Ubuntu loading. Sweet. 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 We're at a desktop. Ha, look at this. Sweet. Great. Wonderful. We're there. Alright, so, and we got pip, right? We got pip now. We do. Alright, great. So, now is, let's get this set up. And let's go make sure we got our development tools set up on this thing. Install, oh, I gotta fucking sudo this up. Sudo su. Alright, so we suited that up. No, we didn't. Now we did. Install build-essential. Sorry, the newest version.
Gregory
Great.
Derderian. At FIC, nerd stuff's what pain in the butt.
And it's just some shit you gotta go through. Not the end of the world. Alright, so now that that's done, let's get us some Python. Let's get us how to install. Oh. Okay, that's done. Alright, so I forgot what the damn package name is. VN, there's the one I need. Alright, now we got some stuff going on there. I've got a bit of this and a bit of that. Right, bit of this, bit of that. We got 15 minutes. Alright, so we're in there. Now it's time to fucking install. Alright. Great, now we got the new setup tools.
Gregory Derderian. At FIC, Nerd Stuffs, what is your favorite live?
Clash with Bow. I'm a sick fuck. Alright, so that's there. And I should be able to do this. Oh yeah. Fuck.
Gregory Derderian. At Thick Portrait Famer.
PDF's up there. You know, I watch him. You know, there's some out there that, you know, when you, I'm just not into all the drama, right? I don't have the effort for it, right? Just can't be bothered. Right? If somebody wants to, you know, like I said, with PDF, everybody wants to attack him just because he's PDF, and I don't understand.
Nerd Stuffs has good.
Oh yeah, no, his heart's in the right spot. You know, his character's, as far as I can tell, is in the right spot. I mean, I'm not sitting here. That's the difference between me and a lot of people. I don't sit here and analyze each and every live streamer out there, right? You know, I'm not here to judge you, right? About the worst you'll say is that's not the way I'd do it. You know, the way that people want to do their life is the way that they want to do their life. It's not for me to tell you how, right? Or command that you bow to my, I don't know, whatever, right? And people just love to come to channels and tell them, and I don't have the effort. I don't know if I want to. Great. Okay, now we're gonna get this part up and going.
gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for
Sweet. Sweet, 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 sweet.
eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. It's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
No mercy sheep. Dear friends in code, would you be able to do a help room chat with me next weekend?
Yeah,
Reference livestream noob.
yeah. I mean, we could, like I said, I can set one up right now if you want.
Gregory Derderian. At FIC, nerd stuffs do no blight justice. No mercy sheep. Next weekend better. I'm going to do as much as I can this week. Educate myself.
Fair enough. How do you mean? Do I know Blind Justice? I know the channel. I've spoken with Mike before. I'm aware of a few people in this in the community, if you want to call it that stream injustices, right? I don't know what the yeah, I know about the blind dude that gets fucked up, for a lot of goddamn no good reasons, right? I see a lot of people that think that it's their job to prove that he is or isn't blind or some shit instead of just helping the fucker. I mean, see, and that's the other thing about it.
Gregory Durderian.
Most of these people would go the fuck away if they would actually.
Watching, very good man.
Yeah, I mean, again, I look at it for that vet. His battle hasn't ended. Right? He's continued. And the thing about it, to me, it doesn't seem like a lot of these people picked this battle. The battle picked them. Right? So, like I said, I mean, I have my druthers. And like I said, it's a lot of these people, it seems like the battle picked them. They didn't go in looking. Right, so anyway. Docket, what the hell? Nobody's fucking coming. Fuck it, I'll set up one.
Indoctrination. Lazy Sunday, I guess. I'm probably gonna bail them and watch some Yellowstone.
Alright. I'll start up another Friends and Code here in a little bit. With the poker shit and see what happens. Alright, we need to go get everything.
Gregory Durderian. At Fick the Trick, the vet's like crap, it's hurt me, my dad was a vet.
Oh, okay. I see what the problem is.
Gregory Derderian. At FIC, Nerdstuffs did find the problem yet.
I'm getting closer to it. So I'm trying to clone this as friends in code, and anyway, my SSH keys didn't match. So let's see here. We gotta do chain. $600, okay. That's where I was screwing up, okay. There we go.
Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start looking as lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start looking as lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to cross. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Tell them I'd be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast. Didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We aren't hating because you aren't. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, then I just have to leave. Yeah, shoot, yeah, shoot, yeah, shooting. reaching far. Getting lost.
Bear with me just a second, guys. I'm having to answer some questions. many of you fuckers are still there? Y'all still here? Y'all ready to see some nerd shit? Okay, that nerd shit's done. But I gotta go download this nerd shit. So, let's copy. Copy the link address, alright? We're gonna come over here to this, and then we're gonna go wget, and then that model. Bam! Get you some! Right? We're gonna come right here. We're gonna do the same damn thing. Copy that link address. See, it's downloading, right? It's downloading. But we're gonna be mean. We're gonna duplicate that tab. Bam! Right? And we're gonna CD into that AI folder, and then we're gonna go into that AI folder, and then we're gonna go into that models folder, right? And then we're gonna do another wget, and we're gonna go BAM! We're gonna download some shit. We're downloading some shit. Okay, in case you didn't know, we're downloading some shit. Alright. Right. Where'd that other one go? Interesting, I think I lost one. Well, they're both downloading, so it's somewhere. Huh. Sweet, so they're downloading. And actually I could do something like this and they'd probably stop. Yeah, let's stop them. Wow, that's impressive. They're downloading. Like 9. One, 8, 4, 7. 6. All right. Well, let's just SCP that shit over. Right. Let's just SCP that shit on over. Right. That's what I thought. Thought that was a minus R. Let's see here. I need to be. we go. Alright, so now we're going to watch some boring shit happen for a little bit. Which is, I'm copying all the model files over, which gives us the ability to choose. Once that's done, I want to get a Flash server set up with a Vue.js. And then we'll throw an Nginx in front of that. So get submodule update and net recursive. Any questions on what's going on yet so far? I mean, I'm just basically setting up an Ubuntu machine, getting everything that I need for the AI ready. I've downloaded the package that I have up on GitHub. And I'm going to see how bad it's broken and see what I need to update on it. You know, they're only like 4 gigs a file, right? So it'll take it a second to get them over. All right. So copying those files over. Once those are copied over, this should also, I'm also copying over the fucked with ones. This is all in hopes that this PC can handle it. It's a beefy computer as is, but
sinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
So we're doing about 20 something gigs right about now, you know? Right, something about 20 something gigs.
Get me out of broken hearts and sacrifice.
And that's what you're watching right here.
Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no.
Oh, we're getting on the next one.
water, so I'm going mainstream. Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the sky, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender it. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make
My friend says, yep, if you're trying to get display out of it, you're doing it wrong. Sorry, guys, I'm learning from a PhD right now. And we might have a big system change coming around here.
No mercy, sheep.
What up, No Mercy?
I wonder how Bowie is making out.
Oh, we're gonna be adding that.
Brandon Mitchell. How's the nerd stuffs going?
Can you hear me, Brandon? There we go. I had this damn thing muted. It's going. I went down a bad path. Right. And so, not researching and everything like that, and just kind of was like, fuck it, it's good enough computer, I'm going to use it. And the path is not correct. There's a computer change coming up, and I need to do it tonight. And I thought I was doing it on the right machine, and I wasn't, so... So I gotta figure out, I gotta tear them both down, get the other one set up, get the other one set up right next to mine, right, and then get everything off of the one that I'm streaming on right now to the new one, and then transition, which is really not going to be fun at all. Right? It's not fun. Right? Transitioning Windows sucks. Right? Alright, because I got to transition my voice meter, my...
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright. You see, forever we will go. We are forever learning, one step at a time. As long as the world is turning, I'll be by your side. We'll keep the fire burning, I'll never see you hurt. You know I can't explain it in a way of words.
What up? Now you flip the little tab, the little slider switch by the make it bigger.
Ah, there it is.
What's up, man?
What's cracking, homie?
I'm sitting here talking to my friend, and we're talking about hardware and everything like that, right?
Mm.
So I need to basically AMD video cards are a little bit behind in the CUDA Club, right?
Yeah. In the
For
AI
solving.
space.
Yeah. So we've been sitting here talking about it, and you know, I got the other machine built and ready to rock and roll with it, but I need to tear my 3070 out of this and put it over in there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Buy another one.
No, it's not that easy.
Yeah, no, they're like fucking $4,000 now and shit.
No, they've actually come down.
It's been coming down, yeah. It's only like
But
$300-400.
you know, I mean, if we're really talking about wanting a new video card, right? I mean, if you really want to be serious and want to help friends and code out, I mean, I got real, you know, this is why I don't take money from people, right? Y'all want to know why I didn't have a tip jar? You know, my tips, you know, there's real issues with my toys, right? There's real dollar issues.
Monitor 907 has gone live with the title.
Right, so
we need to revisit New Kensington.
if you know, if you guys really want to try to help out, these are the kind of numbers that I need to try to hit. Right, and that's just for the video card, guys. That's not for the processor. That's
motherboard,
the video card. Yeah, that's the video card.
Memory's gonna cost a big chunk too.
Yeah. So, you know, that's why we have pipe dreams, right? That's why we sit and talk about the what could be, right? So, you know, and that would be to train a model. But there's something interesting. A friend of mine was showing me this one.
All right.
Tabby.
What the hell was that?
Which is a self-hosted AI coding assistant. Right. That I think we should look at. Right. I mean, looks like something to try. It's another one to add to the list, you know. I mean, it's just like, fuck. And then you have this one, right? Right, it's the most loved Vision AI. Right, so it's like, okay, what can I feed this fucker? What can it find? You know, and then I mean, the thing is that the reading never ends.
SMBTWLM.
What's up, Sound Minds?
Well flow in a 256 Threadripper for giggles.
Exactly, bro. I mean, you know, I mean, everybody, y'all really want to know why I don't have a tip jar? You know, I could blow 100,000 on this, no fucking problem. Okay, no fucking problem. Right? And I could do it where I was thinking about electricity and where I wasn't thinking about electricity. Right? Because you can build a box you can't turn on. Right? You're paying for diesel and a goddamn generator. So yeah, Dave, I'm kind of in a rock and a hard spot. And I think I should, you know, I got more cores over there than I do over here, and I think I should just swap out the fucking video cards, but whatever. Whatever.
Brandon Mitchell. 100k, that better come with a happy ending, rolling on the floor laughing.
Not if you can't turn it on. Not if you can't turn it on. Right. You don't even really care that it has display ports on it.
SMBTWILM. Have you thought about using crossfire setups?
So, yes and no. Right? Yes and no. I haven't really thought. You know, I'm literally figuring out the path as I go. Right? So, as far as like, have I actually sat down and put pen to paper to it? Not really. Not really. You know. It's only an RTX 6000. The video card has more RAM than my goddamn computer does.
What's it got? 16 gigs and shit?
No. This motherfucker's got 48 gigs, bro.
Wow.
Right. Yeah, right here. 48 fucking gigs. Get you some goddamn, right? And if you're trying to hook it up to something, you're doing it wrong, right? If you're trying to look...
give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So until then, we're gonna have to just deal with this. God damn it! I just don't want to. I really don't want to tear fucking machines apart because it just causes issues.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, it just causes fucking issues. You know, they don't like to boot back up right. They don't. They like to blue screen when you change out video cards and hard drives, right? And it's not like I'm changing out to another NVIDIA card, right? I'm fucking flopping this bitch to a
SMBTWRM.
fucking AMD.
So many driver issues.
Okay. So I gotta figure this out. Which fucking route I'm gonna go.
SMBTWRM. Infighting issues for months changing from NVIDIA.
Yeah, see, and I need the NVIDIA for the fucking AI. Right?
Waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my fatherland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
SMBTWILM. GPU Super Server System 751G TNRT can't drop link.
Oh, hold on just a second. Sorry about that, bro. We'll get that fixed. We will definitely get that fixed.
SMBTWILM.
This motherfucker says CPU doesn't matter at all. An i3 with the 4090 would probably be okay.
Wow.
Dude, that is like a $500 car with the with the $3,000 fucking car stereo in it. And he goes, I wouldn't choose that setup, but it's mostly doing everything in the GPU. This is why I like talking to this guy. I mean, he knows how to redneck this shit down for me. I'm asking him about what fucking... what he thinks right now about what I should do. Hmm.
So, when are you gonna gear this fucking AI thing to be more of a coder's paradise?
Well, when we're fucking around
Give me
with,
access. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
you will have access. Don't worry. I need help with the prompts, bro. I need help with other parts of this shit. I can't learn it all. Right. I mean, let's be real about this, right? I saw what you could do with debug script. I mean, with exported scripts, right? I mean, this is in better English than that shit was.
Right.
You get to see the. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what we're talking about right there, bro. See, this son of a bitch right here can support 4 of those A100. Yeah.
How much did that motherfucker cost? $8,000 just for the fucking motherboard?
Dude, check it out. If you gotta ask, it's
gonna be too much.
It's gonna be too much, right? They don't even have price on it, right?
SMBTWILM. You like that FIC?
It's only got 2 MVEs on it, though. I need it has 4.
7.
It has 4. Yeah, see, it's got stacks above and below the motherboard, the ass gasket on that thing. Yeah, look at my fucking dude. That's great. I love how it's sharing
What
that.
CPU socket does it take?
That one. Right.
Oh, it's a dual
Takes that.
socket.
Yeah, and I don't know. I was. See that USB 3 right here in the bottom left-hand corner?
Yeah.
You can take that and put a fucking USB 3 pen drive on it, and you can run the OS right from there. So it's all in the case, and nobody can get to it.
Yeah, the server that I got over here, it's got like a SD card, just a big, giant, massive one too, for just that purpose.
Right. I don't want to do this, but I have to. Alright, so I got to pull hard drives. Well, our music's going to get shitty, but we'll survive. Let me go ahead and get that switched over. The background's going to get shitty because there's going to be nothing in it unless Dave shares something.
I got nothing.
So
I'm playing StarCraft.
SMBTWILM.
Don't fucking go for that, it's nerd.
DDU is your friend.
Right?
StarCraft 2.
Let's see here.
If you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain.
Give me just a second. I'm switching over to my phone.
I whooped that mofo's ass. Yeah, shut up.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Sweet. Made the switch. Sweet. Now we can hope for the best here. I hope this goes right. Oh yeah, and there's no TTS now. Shit. There we go. I'll have a chat overlay instead. All right, so we're gonna make a switch over here. Yeah, I think I made it back again. So put these back. Alright, we'll get that back in there.
Oh, take these shoes off. Oh.
All right, boys and girls. While I'm getting this switched over, I'm gonna fucking kill this thing. We'll be back in a little while.